Okan! Malakas! Nakuha ni Roland, 2 points! Egi, Roland, basket! Okan! Ang ganda ng pakas kay Roland, 2 points! Napunta kay Francis, mid-range, 2 points for Francis! Wala! Napunta kay Dave, 2 balik kay Roland, 2 points! Sapa, Leocan! Nakuha ni Francis. Binigay kay Rolly. Back to Dave. Dave, 2 points. Break. Enter si Dave. Dave to Rolly, 2 points. Second shot. Struggling. Rolly, 2 points. Time out. RSG. Sanchez pumasok.
Sanchez.
Pwede na mag-sorry! Pwede na mag-sorry, di ba, Jam?
Race of the night, Barangay Ginebra. First shot, good. Naago pa rin Dino. Dino, power play for Dre. Sa poste. Jump shot, 2 points for Dre. Balik pa rin kay Dre, pressure rebound. 2 points. 50 seconds.
Pumasok.
Second shot. To Sanchez. Good to the 5 seconds. Baliset to Roland. 2 points. In the first quarter.
Kinangin na.
2 points. Binigay kay Ronaldo. Balik. Napunta kay Danny Evering. Enter si Danny Evering. 2-on-1 pass break. Pinasa kay Rolly. 2 points.
Balik. Advance. Easy!
Sige, pang katiro.
To Rolly. Tumira 3. Rolly for 3. Kahit anong barbang. Type C. Dave, 2 points.
Time out.
Time out, RSG. Putang yung pasa. Nag-iisa si Kanye. Back to Kyle. Kyle, block by Kyle.
Balik!
Back to Sanchez. To Roland, 2 points. Oy, araw ni Rolly. Binigay kay Kyle. Nauna naman si Kyle. Ang ganda naman nun. Pang top play sa tira ni Kyle Irving. Rolly, block na Okan. Okan, dire-diretso. Basket. Today, hang time. Basket. 50 seconds.
Ang galing.
Ang ganda naman ng layup ni Mr. Okan. Oy, na bumalik kay Dave. Dave. Galing, pumasok.
Si Dave.
Ako, nagbawi. 2, 1. Two points for Rolly. Binigay kay Kevin. 2 points. Dave, 2 points.
Guys, balik!
Second team foul.
First pa lang.
Second shot, good. Bola ang bola. Nakita si Kyrie Irving. Today, basket. Time out. RSG. Oh. Kyle, jump shot. Basket for Kyle Irving. Binalik kay Rodalas. 2 points. Mula si Dave, hindi nakita. Late pass. Pumasok. Today. Game. 2 points.
One.
Shot's good. 15 seconds to shoot. Binigay kay Francis. Mid-range. Basket for Francis. 3-on-2 pass break. Rolling. Today. Basket for Dave. May kauwas ang foul. First shot for Dave.
Malayo na yung maganda.
Pick up the play. Track Dave to Kyle Ingrid. Nauna na si Roland. Roland, 2 points. Iba ni Roland, block. Nakuha ni Castillo. Castillo, mahina. Ito pa rin si Kevin.
Hi!
Napapakili sila. 5 seconds. Naman, 3 pass. Kyle to Rolly, 2 points. Binigay kayo, Kyle. Kyle. Ang ganda naman. Dinukot sa ilalim.
Second.
5 seconds. Kyle. Today. Score 53-44 in Kyle Irving, mid-range. Basket shoot for Kyle. May kasama pang foul for Kyle. Basket. Second shot, good. Uy, nakita libre si Francis.
Si Kevin yan, oh.
2 shots for Coronel. Good. Rolly. Back to Dave. Dave. Nice. 2 points. Kevin. Nice pick. Mid-range. 2 points. Lost. Lost. 2 points.
Sino yan?
Time out. Okay, kay Maliser. Nag-iisa. 2 points. Second shot for Dave. Pumasok. Binigay kay Dave. Mutik ba agaw? Dave! 2 points! May kauman pang foul. Time out, RSG. To Dwayne. Dwayne, dire-diretso. Block by Potrias. Dwayne, block by Potrias. Agawa ng bola. Kevin for 3. Kuha ni Roland. Roland! May kauban pang foul. Pasok. Tira ni Rodales. Pressure din na naman ng RSD. Nasundot. Kuha ni Roland. Roland. Block by Popias. Na AKT ball. Kyle. Bumitaw ng 3. Castillo. Castillo. Block by Popias. Nakakaramay si Popias sa ilalim.
Sino yun?
Roland, 2 points. Licks.
Agad din. 3 minutes pa lang, oh. Parang pinahapon lang po ng kakapin yan.
Basket good. Today. Tingnan kita si Kyle. Kyle may 2 points. Balik. Baliser. Libre sa 3. Bumitaw. Baliser.
Kevin yun, oh.
Dalawa na lang. Inahabol ng RSD. Ang game. Balik ka Baliser. To
Time out daw pag naano.
to Roland. Jump shot. Time out. Aray ko. Baka. 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes. Watch Mati Restaurant. Watch Mati. Nabusog ka na. May balat ka pa. Kyrie Irving. Today. To Rolly. Today. Wala. Nakuha ni Rolly. Rolly.
Buray na, hindi ko mag-buray ito.
First shot.
Relax na, 1 minute pa.
Coronel. Shoot. RSG. First shot. Pumapas. Sanchez to. Oy, libre si Kevin. Kyle today. 2 points. RSG.
Sana, Cortez.
Sanchez, first shot, walang kakaba-kaba. 3, 2, 1. Final score, 75-73 in favor of